Hi, in this video we are going to discuss about the validation module available in Mule 4. So there are lots of good things about this validation module, and it's quite same as we were using in Mule 3. The benefit of validation module is that there are lots of out of the box validators available which we are usually encounter. We can just use them, so we don't need to do any code. And along with that, if there is any error, it throws some errors which makes them easy to traceable, like what error there was. So there is a very good uh, 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 documentation available for each of the validator on the Mule 4 and which errors they throw. And also you can develop a custom validator. You can read it from here. Let's go back to the studio and let me show you some of the validators. There are some validators we can check. It is an IP, like the whatever we want to check. Is it an IP, or is it a URL? Is a blank or not? So there are lots of them. Along with them, there are two really good features of this. We have an all or any component, so we can plug in multiple validators together, and we can use an all block in that, and that all block can will work, that will be valid if all of the internal validators are valid. If both of those are valid, then this will not throw any error. If both of them are not valid, if one valid, one invalid, will throw an error. Whereas there is another one which is known as any. So in any, if any of them, like there are hundreds and one of them is valid, so it will pass through, and if none are valid, then it will fail. So I have already implemented an application. It's just a listener, then it's referencing a flow variable, which is actually I don't want this, which is actually just setting test string, and then we are checking is it null or it's not null. I have set variables here, and we are just setting payload, that if it's passed or not. So let's go ahead and try each of them. So I have five cases, I guess. In one, all of them are getting passed, and we'll see what error messages are coming up in when all will fail in this one, and in here all in this one will fail. In this any of those pass, what message are we getting then? And none of those pass. So let's go back to the application is deployed, so I'm going back and just trying that. So I'm first trying all pass. So it said pass both validation. Why? Because I send the parameter as this, so which is a valid email address. This is my email address. You can contact me here. So so if I go back, so what was this flow doing? This flow was checking that either it's not null, yes, it was not null, or either is an email, yes, it's an email. So it passed both validation and printed a message that it passed both of the validation. Then we have the other one where all will fail. Sorry, it's mistaken. I should write all one fail. So this one is all one fail, and this one is all fail. So I just messed around things. So let's see. I just changed them, and I'm going to see. In this one is going to fail, and in this one, both of them are going to fail because it's not a number, neither it's not a null. So it says some or all validation did not pass through, and you can see that it's an invalid number, and there is another message we have to, it said it's not null, so it throws both for both of them.